Okay, we have a sharp CNC vertical milling machine with an Acu-Rite Millpower 3-axis control. Machine was retrofitted in 2017 with the control, ball screws, and motors, and we are running right now. Machine has an R8 spindle from 60 to 4200 RPM. The Acu-Rite Millpower G2 is moving the X-axis right now. You have a 9x42 table with 25 inches of X travel, 11 of Y, and 5 of quill. Axes are quiet. You have hardened and ground dovetail ways, original flakings on them. And that's your Z quill. Again, the spindle is an R8 spindle with a air actuated power drawbar. Right now we're at 1500 RPM in the high. Goes up to 4200. 2700. Machine's very quiet. The Acu-Rite Millpower has a lot of CAN cycles with it. It also has USB port and RS-232. You have glass feedback on the X and Y scales. 350 RPM. 130 in the low. So the machine is quiet in the high and the low. The serial number of the machine is 5022914. Thank you for watching our video.